Hey guys, can you solve 40 divided by 20 minus 2 times 2? 40 divided by 20 equals 2, right? Minus 2 times 2. Now 2 minus 2 equals 0 times 2. Now 0 times 2 equals 0. But this is wrong. Why? First of all, multiplication and division from left to right. Then addition and subtraction after multiplication and division. Now let's solve it correctly. Follow the order of operations we use MDAS. Okay. 40 divided by 20, multiplication and division from left to right. 40 divided by 20 equals 2 minus 2 times 2. Now multiply first. 2 minus 2 times 2 equals 4 and 2 minus 4 equals minus 2.